Hi, Bret Knutson here at Twin Oaks Golf Course, headquarters to Premier Golf Academy. Today I'm going to give you a tip on playing downhill bunker shots. So my lie in the bunker is pretty flat, but I am straight down the hill to the flag. So the first thing you should do is take a 60-degree wedge. And what we're going to try to do is hit this a little bit different. I need to let the club slide under the ball so the club head quickly passes my hands, and you can see the face is very straight on the follow through. The second tip is I need to land the ball here in the rough, because any shot landing on the green, there's no chance that it's going to stop before the hole. So when I make my practice swings here, two things I'm trying to do. Number one is I'm trying to feel the club head slide past the hands to a flat face position, and number two is I'm trying to figure out how much power do I need just to pop the ball out of the bunker. I want to land it about halfway between the bunker and the green, and that should carry it down to the hole. So let's see how I do. So that was perfect. That's exactly what I wanted to do. And you can see I just used the slope to let it roll down. Instead of trying to swing hard, spin the ball and land it on downslope and hope it stops, just make your normal swing, choose a landing spot closer to you, even in the rough, and let the hill do the work, bring it down to the hole. Try this next time when you're playing on a golf course. You're going to get more up and downs from the sand. Thanks a lot. Have a great day golfing.